Basically, what I'm going to do in this channel is, 1 minute, I'll get my diary. I'm a little old school. I, kind of write down everything, what I want to do and what I'm not supposed to do as well. This is my kind of keeping myself accountable till now. It works most of the times, but sometimes it's just that procrastination wins. Yeah, I am Niveta. As of today, I weigh 62.50. My height is 159 centimeters, and basically why I'm telling this out loud is, I have set a target for 58 kilos. I want to achieve it not like within like next 1 month, next 2 months and stuff. I have kind of fixed in my mind that okay, maybe 6 months down the line, I just have to reduce few kilos. That's just a target that I've set. If I'm feeling healthier, if I'm feeling happy, I am happier. But if I'm not feeling the kind of laziness that I'm feeling right now in the same weight, I'm happy and glad. But sometimes, people tell, right, like you have to lose your fat and build your muscles to be strong and to be active and stuff. I'm kind of trying to do that. Also, I am supposed to have weekly check-ins with you guys of my weight loss program. Yeah, and fitness updates, skincare updates, and basically all the habits I am going to keep and all the habits that I'm going to fail. Even if I fail few times, I'm not going to give up. I'm just going to come back again. Or maybe some of you guys can tell me that, see Niveta, this is what you're supposed to do. You promised us you're gonna do it. Okay, I will do it. And then some random life talks as I'm doing right now. Because most of us are like kind of we usually feel lost, right? Like we might have been in a very good job, like currently in a very good job. Maybe like you have a dream company that you always wanted to get in and you have gotten in, but you don't feel happy, like you don't feel satisfied, or you don't feel that urge of running towards something or achieving that thing, or that peace is not found. I cannot talk about like I will give you peace out of it, like no, usually nobody does that. Nobody can do that. I don't know, I think so. I kind of, I'm lost like in my own thoughts maybe, and that's why I'm like kind of blabbering. Maybe a little. Oh yeah, it might be raining outside. Honestly speaking, life is kind of hard is what I think for many, but for some of us, life is kind of easy. Life is good. We have a roof above us, we have food. Specifically, we have the choice to tell what we want and what we don't. When we have that luxury, why are we crying for something that's not, I don't know, maybe are we just creating problems for ourselves just to solve those problems? I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comments. Am I being too crazy, too dumb, or being an idiot for telling this out loud too? Am I being too privileged to tell this out loud too? I don't know. Just letting you guys know that I am also living in the same world as you guys. I had no courage to put myself in front of a mirror and to look at myself and feel the way I'm feeling right now. It was too hard for me to get out of that zone. I had good friends, friends who were too good to be true, and also few like a worst nightmare. Things happen in life, right? We have a long journey ahead of us where I keep on bickering and blabbering about all these things. I used to be a lecturer. I love teaching. Teaching is the one thing that I love in this entire world. You make me choose anything, and if you have teaching, you don't have to give me any other option. Like that is my go-to. That is how much I love teaching. At one point, I had few students of mine, they were facing difficulties and stuff. I was kind of one of the persons, one of the first few people that they would go talk to comfortably. That made me feel so good, and I want that person in me to be for you guys here. Also, I have noted down few other things like how our lives, reality versus expectation of social media and stuff. And in my videos, one more thing, you would not see aesthetic stuff. Like maybe this entire background is the same. I'm not gonna change it for months maybe. Or maybe if I'm too bored in the same room, I might go down and, nature and stuff. But you may not see me in like very aesthetic kind of videos. I might try, but I don't think so I'm that person. And also, for someone who is dealing with self-doubt, I have kind of overcome it is what I am thinking. Because you don't know what you overcome, right? Like we might think we have overcome 100%, like I'm like completely out of it and stuff. Like one instant, and then it just comes back rushing. No matter how much you heal yourself, somewhere at some point, it's not like that bad, but maybe for a minute or so, you might be low. Yes, that is obviously humans. Like, yeah, we are. I might share few of my experiences with you guys, where day-to-day experiences where I see people, I talk to people. Maybe you guys can connect with me. We can have a conversation if you want to, like about talking about your life, what is happening, what is not happening. If you want someone to be there to just listen, not give you opinions, because if you ask for one, yes. If not, no. Because I might maybe give you few opinions if you ask me for, but not advices. That one thing is very, it's absolutely free. Every other random person will give you the advice. They have no idea what is going on in your life too. Like absolutely no idea what is going on in your life. And I have so many experiences of those. I am happy and I would be so excited to share it with you guys. And also, I kind of have like career confusions and family expectations of you. All those things will be spoken about in the future sessions. And then why am I talking about sessions? I'm not giving you a lecture though. Somewhere I'm kind of living that teaching moment. And then I want to be accountable, as I already mentioned. Like I have to be accountable about talking about my goals for the month. Like I will be sharing with you guys like what I will be doing in the particular month, like what are the achievable goals, not like crazy expectations of like me losing 10 kilos in a month. Like no, not gonna happen. And then might be eating healthy. I will be talking about all these in detail in my upcoming videos. Okay, also realistic lifestyles, like what I actually eat. I'm not gonna eat anything fancy. I am a South Indian, so it is about idli, dosa and everything. I'm not going to go like completely Western. I'm only going to eat this, that and stuff. Like no, what is actually possible is what I'm going to do, because I am lazy. I don't want to pre-prep and then come back and do that again, and no, sorry. And a lazy day in my life, most of my days are lazy, but we will work on that. Productive day versus unproductive day, that's something that I'm looking forward to. And budgeting self-care, I don't spend too much money on self-care products and stuff. Like I'm a person only with a light moisturizer, Vaseline and a sunscreen, of course. Upcoming videos again. And some small wins that nobody sees. Those of you know me, they know how much it means for me to have all those small wins. Like if my friends talk about something that they really wish to have in their life, like maybe very small things. Like one of my friends, she loves gulab jamun. Whenever she is sad, whenever she is happy, whenever she feels excited about something, I remember giving her gulab jamuns for all those occasions, like instant popping out stuff like which makes people happy. You just notice all those small things and then instantly make them feel happy. Simple. That's what we are supposed to do. You don't have to decorate the entire place, get them on board, like give them a crazy exciting celebration or something. Like no, not necessary. You just give them what they actually want. Like you celebrate them on one particular day and you forget them for the rest of your year or month. Like that's not gonna work. I don't know, like gifting luxury items doesn't mean that you love that person too much. And also giving them something that giving something that they might feel extremely happy is also a kind of things that you show love towards them. And then to be honestly speaking, I am kind of still figuring things out. So some days I'll be disciplined, some days I'll kind of fail, but in this journey I will make sure that I'm true to myself and show you all the real stuff that I'm doing. I again tell you guys that this is not another YouTube video that you're gonna see where things are very nice, very aesthetic, and this is how you're supposed to be, this is how life is, I'm very happy, I'm very glamorous and all those things. No, this is not going to be that video. I am going to be, maybe some days you might see me in a high ponytail, or you might see me in a bun, you might see me all messy, you might see me in a t-shirt, and not always happy, not always sad. Like I don't know if I'm gonna record myself crying, but maybe someday after crying I might come back to you guys and tell that okay, my day was terrible, I'm not gonna do this anymore. And you guys please let me know that life is not always great, but life is to live, and I am here to live. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon right there so that you get all the notifications that you get. Okay, and see you guys in the next video. Show me some love. Bye bye.